Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Chrome Mobile without the app. Many users prefer browser access for various reasons, and it's entirely possible with a few simple steps. We'll cover everything from preparing your Android device to optimizing your gameplay. This method allows you to enjoy your favorite Roblox experiences directly through your web browser, offering flexibility and convenience, and saving storage space on your device. Before diving into the game, it's crucial to prepare your Android device. First, ensure your operating system is at least Android Lollipop 5.0 for best compatibility. A strong, stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, is essential for uninterrupted gameplay. Also, take a moment to clear your Chrome browser's cache and cookies. This often resolves common loading issues and improves overall performance. Now, let's get you into the game. Open your Chrome browser and type in the official Roblox website address. Once the page loads, tap the three dots menu in Chrome and select Request Desktop Site. This is a critical step to ensure the full game interface loads correctly. Finally, simply log in with your existing Roblox account or create a brand new one to begin your adventure. To enhance your Roblox experience, consider a few optimization tips. Within the game, navigate to settings and adjust the graphics quality to a lower setting if you experience lag. Closing any unnecessary background applications will free up valuable system memory and processing power. For better control, explore using a mobile-friendly keyboard or even a compatible Bluetooth controller for a more immersive experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.